Good afternoon, friends and family. This is the Devotional Chef and Robert Lacey coming to you live from the parking lot next to the Walmart neighborhood market. I'm going to create a fabulous dish for me and my wife, an intimate dinner with lobster, scallops, live clams, and a clam base mushroom cream of celery sauce over fettuccine alfredo. And so what I'm going to do is take you on a shopping journey with me to pick up the ingredients. And then tomorrow when the dish is finished, I will show you everything as I get it. So right now we're going to go right into Neighborhood Market here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I'll talk to you soon. Hang right in there. Amen. Here we're at the Walmart neighborhood market. As you can see, we're going to go in shortly and start our shopping. So hang in there, y'all. And here's the market.